In this support video, we will be demonstrating how to replace and install a kick panel. For a French door design, simply open the French doors and remove the screws, including the screws under the panel. Gently remove the panel. With your new kick panel, align the holes and screw into place. The install is complete. For conventional oven door, the screws holding the kick panel are located under the door. Remove the holding screws. Lift and remove the kick panel. With your new kick panel, align and insert into the fixed hook. Screw in the kick panel. This completes the installation.